I will do that too. As you assume that I am the only one that snores in this house. I have caught you red-handed.
See, my love, rather than go live on social media handles, please just record a video for our personal consumption.
Oh, now you agree that you snore?
I still don't agree to that until you prove your case.
Okay. We are not in a law court, my lawyer. I will go live to prove it well.
Biko, my love, don't do that. Just record a video and get my mouth making the snoring sound.
Not just snoring sound. Your mouth vibrates like you were grinding corn for Tuwo Masara in Jos, Plateau State.
You won't kill me, this my husband.
And if your snoring had only sound, it would have been nice.
What are you talking about?
You snore with gear.
With gear? You're not serious.
Gear 1. Gear 2. Gear 3.
You're not my friend again.